The desert region of India covers almost the whole of Rajasthan state. It lies towards the western margins of the Aravalli Hills. This region is covered with sand dunes which keep changing their shape and place day in and day out. Crescent-shaped dunes, which are also known as barchans, are the most important feature of this region. With its extremely dry climate and high temperatures, very little vegetation is found in this area. This region receives very little rainfall, which is generally below 150 mm or so. However, during the rainy season, small streams do emerge but disappear again in sand after the rains are over. Luni is the only large river in this area. Camel is the most important animal of this desert. Coastal plains are characterized by an area of flat, low-lying land situated near a water body, often a sea or ocean. Coastal plains have limited vegetation. However, grasses and trees are not uncommon. The Peninsula Plateau is bordered by the narrow coastal plains. The coastal plains of India can be divided into two parts for the ease of studying. B. The Western Coastal Plains. The Western Coastal Plains extend from Gujarat in the north to Kerala in the south. These are narrower than the Eastern Plains. This plain is uneven and broken into three parts. 1. Konkan Coast. Konkan Coast is the northern part that touches Maharashtra and Goa. 2. Kannara. Kannara is the middle part that includes coastal plains of Karnataka. 3. Malabar Coast. This is the southern part, mostly in the state of Kerala. The coastal plains of India are agriculturally developed. They have rich fishing resources. Chilka Lake in Odisha, Koleru and Pulicat lakes in Andhra Pradesh are some of the important features of the coastal plains. A. Lakshadweep Islands. It means 100,000 islands. Now, it is a group of 36 coral islands in the Arabian Sea. It is located 300 kilometers to the west of the coast of India. Earlier they were known as Laccadive, Minicoy, Amindivi. These islands are of the coral origin. They were renamed Lakshadweep in 1973. A. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These are also known as Bay Islands since they are located in the Bay of Bengal. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are separated by a deep sea known as the 10-degree channel. Many of the islands are volcanic in nature.
In this module, we will compare various relief features of India. Let us begin with the differences between the Himalayan ranges and the Peninsula Plateau.
One. The Himalayas are young fold mountains of comparatively recent origin. 2. They are the highest mountains in the world. 3. A large number of famous rivers like the Indus, the Ganges and the Brahmaputra originate from the Himalayas. 4. The Himalayas are formed of the sedimentary rocks. 5. Important hill stations like Shimla, Mussoorie, Darjeeling, Nainital are found on the Himalayas. 1. They are much older than the Himalayas in origin. 2. The Peninsula Plateau is formed of low hills and there is no high peak of worldwide fame in this region. 3. Very few rivers like the Narmada and the Tapti originate from these hills. 4. Most part of the Peninsula Plateau is formed of igneous and metamorphic rocks. 5. No famous hill station is found here.
Now, I will tell you about the difference between the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats.
1. The Western Ghats run from the Tapi River to Kanyakumari. The Eastern Ghats run from Orissa to the Nilgiri Hills. 2. Western Ghats is a source of many large rivers which flow in the peninsular India. But no big river originates from the Eastern Ghats. 3. Western Ghats experience heavy rainfall, but the Eastern Ghats do not experience much rainfall. 4. Western Ghats are continuous and can be crossed through passes only. But Eastern Ghats has been divided into several parts by large rivers, so they cannot be crossed easily. The Western Ghats are higher than the Eastern Ghats. The average elevation of Western Ghats is 900 to 1600 meters compared to 600 meters in case of Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats average elevation is 900 to 1100 meters above sea level. But the average elevation of Eastern Ghats is about 600 meters above sea level.
Children, the diverse physical features of India makes the country richer in its natural resources.
The northern mountains are the major source of water and forest wealth. The northern plains of our country provide us with number of agricultural crops. The Peninsula Plateau is the storehouse of the minerals, which is highly important for the development of the country. The coastal region and island groups provide sites for fishing and port activities. Thus, we can say that the diverse physical features of India make the country richer in its natural resources.
Now we understand the relief features. Goodbye and see you in the next class.